the Rapidstop booth at SHOT Show 2024. And last year we profiled their tourniquet, really innovative design. And today we have Jim again showing us their newest products.
Good morning and welcome back to the SHOT Show 2024 and Moondog channel. So today we're talking about the Modulator. Inside this kit is everything specific to the injury. So you come to the kit, if you have a burn wound, you can get the burn module, cuts and scrapes, minor wounds. It also includes an AED. So #1 killer in America, 1,000 people a day. And we have an AED in there to deal with the cardiac arrest. Also, we have the burn module. So the bleeding control module. Inside of that module, we have chest seals, the Rapidstop tourniquet, emergency blanket, hemostatic gauze, pressure bandage, gloves, marker, and the emergency shears.
That's really thoughtful to also include the marker.
Indeed.
And this is excellent. So you guys have probably the most innovative and practical products out there. It doesn't surprise me that you've put together everything to make it convenient, but also very efficient for saving a life.
Absolutely.
Well, thanks, Jim. We'll be sure to check out your new products next year.
Thanks again. Thanks for coming by.
So, what do you think of this new product? Do you think it's going to be a winner? Leave me a comment and let me know. And thanks for watching.